This is the video tutorial about removing the online scam related to the site Resgen.click. Resgen.click is a dangerous site. Today it targets Google Chrome and it may affect other browsers. It just tries to make you basically download and install some potentially unwanted applications. If you see these pop-ups by Resgen.xyz, you need to disregard whatever they tell you. They are absolutely fake, so just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to additionally investigate your computer with the help of reliable antivirus. I recommend you to use Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, download the software, install the application, and once it is successfully installed, start carefully researching your computer. Combo Cleaner will help you to detect and then remove all other threats. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode. And only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.